Hello guys and welcome to the channel Tech.
So in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve internet problem in Windows. Most of the time a simple left click and troubleshoot problems solve the internet issue, but sometimes that doesn't work. So for that click on search and type cmd run as administrator. Now copy this first command. I will leave the commands in the description down below. Copy and paste. Press enter. Copy and paste. Click enter. So that's all. Now just restart your PC and your internet should be working. So that's all. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.